trees are too tall.
They ought to get out their video cameras. If they see a lot of birds around the plane, they ought to, if they're on the ground or even if they're in the air after takeoff, when it's safe, videotape.
Fixing to drop off a mountain, honey.
Documenting what happened.
And if you see a lot of them, you know, maybe hold your breath and pay the $6 for the cocktail. It might help.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I've seen something. I know it's very scary, but I know that's why the airlines don't want the new
6% grade for 2 miles. That means it drops 6 feet for every 100 feet, honey.
Pakistan, it has dozens of nuclear weapons. And this week, the Taliban got within 60 miles of the capital. Now there's word the militants are on the move again. We'll update you on where they're headed, what all of this means for United States security and for those of our foreign allies. That's next.
Really ain't showing up as much more than just green, is it, honey? Sorry. I wish these trees weren't so high beside the road. I'd show you out that way. I can kind of see, but not real well because the trees are in my way too. I can kind of see through them a little bit though. It'll just be a blur to you. Turn this down to the news comes back on. This is the terrain over in this general area. You get over to Tennessee like this, northern part of North Carolina, no, northern part of South Carolina. Stuff is all mountains and hills and forests. It really is quite a beautiful country. I like it anyway. I don't know if I'd want to live out here, but I like the country. I think it's pretty. Oh, I'm speeding a little bit, honey. I need to back her on up a little bit here. Oh, sorry about that last little bit there. I don't know what happened. It just cut it off. It just said failure, recording failure or something. Shut it down. I don't know what that's all about. Set my cruise control again. It's real green out here. They just said on the news a while ago they got some forest fires over by the coast down South Carolina. Which we're headed to South Carolina, but nowhere near the coast. We'll be way over by Georgia. I may come back through Georgia. I don't know. I'd look at the map and see what the best way to get up to basically Chicago.
On Studio B, he's been in office just shy of 100 days. So I didn't think President Obama's doing so far.
But you can imagine forest fires and dense trees like that is bad.
Treasury Secretary Tim Geithner meeting with finance ministers from the world's industrial powers.
Anyway, that's
new details of his plan to try to fix the banking system.
That's pretty much it, though. That's what it looks like down here.
The world's biggest rock stars singing the blues.
Now you know.
The economy.
I love you, honey.
Folks, including